Hello, boys and girls. So today we are going to learn about the point of view from a narrator, a character, and your personal point of view. Now, some of you are asking what a point of view is. A point of view is a particular attitude or a way of considering a matter. For example, what is happening in the story and whose point of view is it coming from? Is it coming from the narrator? Is the narrator happy the way he's explaining the story? Is he talking about someone's side from someone's side, or is he explaining the everybody's point of view? Is he explaining the mom and the son's point of view, or is he just explaining the son's point of view? I will give you an example at the end, but I just want to get your brain flowing a little bit of the definition. So next, let's find the point of view from your favorite book. Tips for finding the point of view. What is the mood? Is it happy, sad, exciting, scary, mysterious? What do you think each character and the narrator thinks of the situation? So let's say you're reading a Superman story and it's coming from the character's point or the narrator's point of view. The narrator is going to make Superman the coolest character and he's going to be super strong, okay? So that's going to be Superman's point of view. What do you think about the story and the characters? So this is more about your personal point of view. Like, which character do you like the most? Why do you like that character? What character is mean? Why is he mean? And what is that character? Why do you think that? What is that character's point of view? Like, is the mean character, do you think he thinks he's mean? Or do you think he's misunderstood? So you're just going to be thinking about different point of views as you're reading your favorite book. So whose point of view are you talking about? Again, what I was saying before. Like there's Superman's point of view, there's the mean character's point of view, there's your point of view, any point of view. Okay, and so I have a little example. Everybody knows the story of the three little pigs, so we're going to talk about the 2 point of views. In one story, we have the 3 little pigs, and they're super scared of the wolf, and the narrator makes the wolf look really big and bad and like scary. And then in the true story of the 3 little pigs, this book, the narrator is talking from the wolf's point of view. Well, actually, it's the character is the wolf's point of view. And the wolf is explaining his story. He's explaining how he wasn't mean, and he wasn't mean to the pigs, and he just needed some food. So yeah, those are examples of how you can look at different types of point of views from the character. I hope you understand what I'm saying. You can always email me if you have questions or call me. And then now it's going to be your turn. So read your favorite book, make sure you understand the book, pick one point of view to think about, write a paragraph explaining the point of view. It could be 2 to 3 sentences or 3 to 5. However excited you are to talk about the book. I want you to want to read the book, and I want you to want to tell me your side because I want to learn everything about your book and why you like it. So yeah, bring your book and your homework into class so we can share. I'm super excited to hear about all the point of views that you all figured out from the books that you like. I can't wait to read your reflections and talk to you in class. Have a good night, guys, and see you tomorrow.